Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to pin chats on WhatsApp. Maybe you have some important or frequently accessed chats that you want to keep at the top of your chat list. So today I'm going to show you how to pin chats on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, locate the conversation that you want to pin. For example, I want to pin this conversation, so simply long press on that conversation. After that, a set of options will appear at the top. From here, tap on this pin icon. After that, you now have successfully pinned a chat on WhatsApp. The conversation will be moved to the top of your chat list, making it quick and easy to access. Pinned chats will remain at the top even when new messages arrive in other chats. Also, pinning chats allows you to easily access your most important or frequently used conversation without scrolling through the entire chat list. There you go. If you wanted to know how to pin chats on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to pin chats on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.